Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's weekly vlog, I wanted to take you guys with me as I prepare for a weekend hike in Bukidnon. We're going to be doing some vegan meals and vegan grocery haul and some workout, I guess. So that we'll be all set for the hike. Let's go.
She was a wild one, a dreamer, a wide-eyed believer, a rocket in the night. It was a slow dance, a bad song. I told her, just hold on till they play something we like. And she said, hey, where are we going? I said, we're already gone. A cable car, street lights on Mars. This is the start. Even if we don't know where we are, falling so hard here in the dark. This is the start. Even if we don't know where we are. Now we're running on streets of gold, no metaphor, tripping on fields of marigold. And we wanna live forever, holy rolling on ecstasy. She said to me, promise not to wait.
We'll be outside, please, somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting, all that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. Baby, just say yes.
A cable car, street lights on Mars. This is the start. Even if we don't know where we are, falling so hard here in the dark.
So now I'm back with more groceries. I'm sorry I didn't bring my aqua bag. Here we have avocados, flour, vinegar, mushrooms, mangoes, more flour, soy milk, more soy milk, wheat bread, tomato paste, bell pepper. You guys already have an idea, I guess, about what I'm gonna make. And we have baking soda, tofu, lots of it, And now we're gonna go to the cabinet where I put all my groceries. Here are the stocks. You'll find soy milk, all kinds of soy milk, some ground beans, I guess, and that one's coffee, and this one are the spices that I never got to finish, but I still wanted to finish. And here we'll have a box of powdered sweets and flavorings, I guess. Yeah, so let's open it. Here you'll find peanut butter. First things first, there's peanut butter. And then we have here some matcha green latte powder, in powder. Some dark chocolate or pure tablia, nutritional yeast, breadcrumbs, lots of breadcrumbs, and some sesame seeds that I never got to finish, but I just had to transfer. And at the bottom section here we have coconut milk, pineapple tidbits, and some canned goods in case of emergency, or if I ran out of other things. We have garbanzos, we have mushrooms, mixed fruits, baked beans, and some tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce that were extra, I guess, and that's some hot sauce right there, and apple cider vinegar. So that's it. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. We are on our way trekking, hiking to this view deck here in Pangantucan. I'm currently in the middle of the hike, and I forgot to film the whole ride from CDO to up here in Pangantucan, but it was like the longest ride of my life. I'm gonna tell you guys a really funny story yesterday. So, na-flat among tire on our way. Na-flat among tire while I was still at work, because in the morning I still had some training to be done, and in the afternoon we started to hit the road to come up here in Pangantucan. So, na-flatan mi og tire, and it was so funny because even the spare tire was flat. So, nagpabulkit kami and all, and it was just stressful, but I just trusted my intuition and trusted my friends who were there to help me. Anyway, so that was a short story. Also, today's Valentine's Sunday, and we're spending it here in the mountains with my co-workers Ate Chris, Zar, and Borge. They're like my friends, or who have become like family from work. They've known me for over 2 years, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna film another one when we get there, okay? Stick around. Hey! Nagrasa ka? You okay? Okay ra ka? Medyo. But we'll get there. Look at that! Oh my god. It's a sea of clouds. That tip right over there, that's Apple, according to Ate Chris. so sweet. I had to take off my jacket and my gears because it's so hot.
Congrats ya, congrats banget.
Hi. Magpa-picture ko.
Salamat kay
On our way, climbing down the hill, and gotta say, climbing down is harder than going up.